Today I am going to start the subject history lecture 2. And name of the chapter you already knowing, tracing changes towards 1,000 years. Here we are going to read historians and their sources. Sources means clues, information on which the historian wrote the history of medieval period. The information about the medieval period is derived from two sources. As you know, in class 6 also there are two type of sources, archaeological source and literary source. Archaeological source is same available to us, that include monuments, temples, coins, tombs means place where the dead body of ruler buried, ornaments and paintings. In the medieval period, gradually paper became widely available and cheaper. So the manuscript during this period were written on paper, not on palm leaf and bark of a tree. People started using it to write different type of books. Some of the subjects are holy text, means religious books, chronicles of ruler, date-wise information about the ruler, letters, teaching of saint, petition means a prayer or a law of means a prayer by any people in the court of justice. Judicial record means record of justice, and the register of accounts and taxes. They all are found written on paper by different type of people. These manuscripts were collected by wealthy people, means rich people like king, chieftain, commanders, etc., rulers, monasteries and temples, and were kept in libraries and archives. Now, what is archives? It is a place where manuscript and these texts were kept. These manuscripts were written in Persian and Arabic because this time the main language of the ruler was Persian, and the people who came from Arab, they wrote in Arabic language. There was no printing press in those days, means till now in India, in medieval India, printing press were not exist. Scribes means those people who know to read and write. Scribes copied manuscript by hand. This time the manuscripts were written by hand, and these manuscripts were copied by scribes. Some changes in word and sentences were also made by these scribes. These scribes writing manuscript during this period made some changes. They wrote word from one place to another place, and the sentences also were written in same pattern. So it was not done knowingly. It poses a serious problems to determine which the original one was. This made a problem that which text was original one, and what were the text were written by or copied by the scribes. Now, the society of medieval period. In society, we will read the new social changes and the political groups existed during this period. The 1000 year between 700 to 1750 was a period of economic, political, social and cultural changes. Now, what were the changes took place? Let us read one by one. There were many developments in the technology exist. What are the changes? The changes are the Persian wheel in irrigation, the spinning wheel in weaving, and the firearms in combat. Combat means a big fight, war, or the fight between armed forces. Two armed forces means between two rulers. People who traveled in the search of opportunities means when the ruler came here to rule the country, large number of people followed them, and to get new opportunity they also came in our country. Not only they brought new ideas but also new food and beverage. Beverage means an item which we drink with them. Some of them are potatoes, chilies, maize, tea and coffee. People traveled to far off places, means distant land, to make their fortune. Large number of people existed in the society during this period. Some of them are Rajputs, one of the prominent communities where the group of warriors they fought wars. They were the Kshatriyas, means they were known by the name Kshatriyas, which is a caste. They included, means in the Kshatriya communities there were rulers, chieftains, soldiers, commanders serving in the armies for the rulers. Some other people were also existed during this period. They were Marathas. We will read later in the chapters. Sikh, Jats, Ahoms and Kayast. But who were Kayats? It is a caste. These people were a caste of scribes, means who know to write. They were literate people, were the other important caste of people during medieval period. Throughout the period, there were gradual clearing of forest. This time, ruler captured the forested area and cleared the forest, and large number of people who lived in forest, they were migrated from their own land. And what was the result? The result was the extension of agriculture, means the land cleared in the forest, they were used to grow crops in large scale. Many forest dwellers, means people who lived in forest, forced to migrate, means forced to leave their own motherland. So they changed their occupation and now they started tilling the land, means and become a peasant, means tilling a land, and they started a new occupation of growing crops, and these were known as farmers. Now the society, what other change came in the society? As society became more differentiated, people were grouped into jatis. These jatis were called subcaste, and these jatis, yani ki these subcaste, ranked on the basis of their backgrounds, the backgrounds they belong, their occupation, the work they do, and on the basis of and their occupation. Ranks were not fixed permanently. They varied according to power of jati, the influences of jati and the resources jati controlled by the members. Now, some important feature of these subcaste or jatis. Jatis had their own system of ruling. They made rules and regulations in order to manage the own people. The people and an assembly of elders, older people, called Jati Panchayat. The responsibility of Jati Panchayat was to enforce the regulations on the people of their jatis. Jatis were bound to follow the rules of their own village also. Means the people, the members of Jati has to follow the rules and regulation made by village and also made by their Jati Panchayat. Now, the remaining part we will read in lecture 3. Here I am going to end this part, and let us see your homework. The homework is do question number 2 and question number 3. Question number 2 is tick the correct alternate, and question number 3 is fill in the blanks. Here is your answer. Answer number 2, A false, B true, C true, D false. The question you will get from the chapters in exercises. Answer number 3, the fill in the blanks. In first we will write manuscripts. Second, Ziauddin Birni, he was a chronosealer. And third, name of foods, potatoes, chilies, maize, tea and coffee. Now you do these homeworks in your fair copy or homework copy. Thanks.